You're looking for how to buy shares of Prospex Energy Plc. Prospex Energy Plc is an oil and gas exploration company listed on the LSE plc under the ticker PXEN.L, and this video shows practical steps only. It is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PXEN.L to find the listing. Make sure the result shows Prospex Energy Plc on the London Stock Exchange, so you select the correct asset. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, market LSE plc, and ticker PXEN.L before proceeding to trade. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as instructed when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account and follow these steps.